So which one is Shan, which one's Rizwan?
I'm Rizwan, he's Shan.
Rizwan, Shan, fantastic. You guys are really smart, mashallah. Where have you come from?
Leicester.
Leicester.
Yeah.
I love Leicester. I've got a soft spot for Leicester. I've recited there many times. And you're going to be reciting for us today?
Qasida. It's about Mawla Ali alayhi salam.
MashaAllah. Qasida about Mawla Ali alayhi salam.
Yes. People that have been cheering me on is definitely my parents, my mom and dad. Who've just constantly pushed us, even when we feel like, oh no, I don't want to do this. They just say, no, you have to, you have to, you have to. لہد میں ہم کو جگایا یا علی کہہ کر لہد میں ہم کو جگایا یا علی کہہ کر ولا کا جام پلایا یا علی کہہ کر لہد میں ہم کو جگایا یا علی کہہ کر سوال پوچھا گیا کون ہے امام تیرا سوال پوچھا گیا کون ہے امام تیرا کفن ہٹا کے بتایا یا علی کہہ کر لہد میں ہم کو جگایا یا علی کہہ کر درے بطول سے رس کو پر ملیں گے ضرور درے بطول سے رس کو پر ملیں گے ضرور فلک سے آج وہ آیا ہے یا علی کہہ کر لہد میں ہم کو جگایا یا علی کہہ کر علم کو تھام کے چلنا کوئی مذاق نہیں علم کو تھام کے چلنا کوئی مذاق نہیں علم کو ہم نے اٹھایا یا علی کہہ کر لہد میں ہم کو جگایا یا علی کہہ کر قدم اٹھائے تو بس سامنے تھا عرش بری قدم اٹھائے تو بس سامنے تھا عرش بری کہ ماں نے چلنا سکھایا یا علی کہہ کر لہد میں ہم کو جگایا یا علی
कह कर
أحسنتم. Stay next to the mic. Stay next to the mic. Stay next to the mic. Said Mesum. Oh, standing ovation.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Nara Haidari.
As it went on, we were more confident, became more confident, and then to get that standing ovation from the judges, well, in awe, yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Said, you were very, Said Mesum, you're very animated throughout that whole recitation. Please, we'll get your thoughts first.
Before I begin, check the akhlaq.
I wanted to say,
Allah, I was going to say this.
They are very, very polite, very polite. Look, they came on the stage without shoes.
You know, we've been
They
taught
came
this
on
from...
the stage without shoes.
MashaAllah. Yeah.
Because
I mean,
this is
we
majlis.
learned this
This is
in our-
majlis.
in our mother's lap. You know, we learned this in our mother's lap. The akhlaq is the most important thing. Everything else is secondary. But I wanted to say, so before you got here, I was thinking at the title, I was looking at the title, The Shia Voice. There's only one voice, but both of you sound exactly the same. I couldn't tell the difference.
Synchronizing.
Yes.
It's very, as I told you, yeah? As I told exactly, I was saying to Sayyid Ammar that to be synchronized, two voices, you know, when you go in the studio, you know what I mean, synchronize, yeah?
Of course, it sounds like a choir.
It's very difficult to synchronize two voices.
It sounds like
they
a
are
double
on
track.
live show, not in a studio, they are synchronized. It looks like one sound, but we put in two track.
And I just want to add, if I were to replicate myself, I wouldn't be able to double track that the same way these guys did here. You know, mashallah.
Fantastic, fantastic. I don't know, anyone else want to jump in now? Said Ammar, Dr.
I said
Jalal.
what I want. I said, Habibi, thank you very much. This program for you. This program is for you.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Subhanallah. Jazakallah.
Haj Nazar, before Hajj, if there was a golden buzzer, this is a question to the judges, if there was a golden buzzer, would that buzzer be pressed?
100%. 100%.
Haj Mustafa.
Well,
I just want
actually,
to
you
say,
are the
mashallah,
gold.
the parents are here. This goes down to your hard work. Well done to the parents. Mashallah. This is what this program is about. Beautiful recitation. Well done. Jazakumullah khair al-jazaa.
Anything you guys want to add, want to say?
No, not really. Just thank you. Thank you for this.
If you add, we accept. If you add till tomorrow, we are here for you. Yeah, you have pure gold in your throat. Believe me, pure gold.
Subhanallah.
Very, very beautiful tune. Very beautiful. You know, have you been in the studio? Oh, you don't? MashaAllah. You know, I am Nazar al-Qatari. When I go to a studio and recite something, they put auto-tune in my sound. You don't need auto-tune.
Mullah Nazar, right now, I want you to take these boys to the studio, not today obviously, take them to the studio and record a track with them.
Believe me, no need auto-tune.
Please.
I will. You are my friend.
Mesum is going to do it already, inshallah. Say
Regardless if they win or not, I'm taking them.
Bismillah.
Okay, very good performance, as many of the judges mentioned, so I thought that you are just one. I say you are two, but your souls are one. Thank you very much. The timing was perfect, but I want something from you. You showed your capability, two voice and one voice, and I want you to do tarkib, you know, the composition of tarkib. For example, when you say, Ya Ali ke kar, but the other voice is the same thing. Ya Ali ke kar.
Harmony. It's called harmony, yeah?
Harmonize it.
Harmony, yeah?
Harmony, I want to do this because this shows as well your capability. You're just showing one of your talent. You have more. Inshallah, if you go to the next round, inshallah, you'll go. You have to do that, inshallah. I expect this from you, inshallah. Thank you.
I think the whole audience will join me in absolute pleasure in thanking both Shan and Rizwan. Thank you so much for your time.
Life you gave with your death and your valor. You were brave every breath. You're my savior. In my grave, Ya Hussain, choose my name by your side.
Fantastic positive feedback from the judges. How do you feel?
We're just grateful. Very grateful.
Were you surprised that it was going to go that well?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were so confident, mashallah. You've definitely displayed that today, mashallah. Now you've got a good feel of the contestants. You know what you're about. You got your feedback. It's all positive. Do you feel like you've got a good chance of winning now?
Yeah, if you take on the judges' feedback and implement that in our work, then
Especially with regard to what Said Jalal was saying.
definitely.
And is there anything else that you feel like you could improve on? Do you feel like your performance was good enough?
Yeah, I felt our performance was good. We just need to work on the things, like my brother said, just to work on those things. That's it.
Tweaking of the pitches and well, the way that you make it more melodious tune. MashaAllah, obviously such a young age, but so talented. Inshallah, we look forward to seeing you guys more. Thank you very much.